Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Descent MK1 Sapphire, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it, so tap on it like this. Once you open the app, you should see the My Day page. On it you should see the icon of your watch right here at the top, and you can tap on this icon. It will bring you to the devices page, and then you should see your Descent MK1. Tap on it to select it, and here find this button in the top right corner. Tap on it, you will see the remove option or remove device. Tap on it, then tap on remove, and if you see this pop up, tap on settings. It will redirect you to the Bluetooth settings on your phone, and once it does, you should see the Descent MK1 right here on the list. Tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on forget, and tap on forget device. Now we can close the app, and that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.